and I have just completed my software engineering in June 2019, and after that I was looking for some guidance for some institute, and so luckily I found. One day I was just sitting and scrolling my phone as I was so much searching about the digital marketing and things like that. So I just saw a form, randomly filled that form, and that was the point where I get to know about. My first impression about the startup is that it's something going to be big, and the startup as it is just a linked brand of theirs. So I found that from Grip at the startup is it's quite informative and it's quite good. If I rate it from 10, it would be like 8 out of 10. Yes, visiting the startup was really good for me. It's good for the people who are searching for a guideline, who are the people who are searching for some guidance to start up their own brands, who wants to start their brands digitally. Like in Pakistan, the trend is moving towards more onto the digital world. So for the people who want to start their brands, no matter what level they want to start their brands digitally, especially, the startup is best choice for them. I rate myself about digital knowledge after joining the startup, like it would be the similar 8 out of 10. Yes, this course at these startups helped me finding better. It's not better. It's the best solution if you are planning for your own brand. It has helped me a lot, and I just really recommend it to people who are searching for their brands. Yes, the best thing about these startups is that they pay a lot of attention towards their students. They never take it just for granted. They always answer all their queries, they solve their queries, and like they are so they prove themselves so supporting hand toward the students. And I definitely recommend these startups to all the people, especially to the students, because in markets I don't think there are more jobs and opportunities for the newcomers. So I just recommend them to start their own brands, and for their brands. I think the startup is the best. People who are, I personally recommend people should not go for personal jobs and employments. It's better to start something small, but something of your own self. And for that, starting something new for yourself, the startup is the best thing to go for it.